Hi, I'm Patrick Reed from the Adamus Principle. I've got some charts for you today, but before that, a few headlines. A bit of a mixed bag in European PMIs, although the German manufacturing really saved the day, and that's why we're getting a tiny lift on euro-dollar. This is off the back of really a 3-day euro move. Talk that it was some sure bonds being dumped from or being bought up around the 150 billion. Not really sure if that's the truth, but nonetheless, this euro move higher turned out to be a dollar selling move. So, but there we are. Let's look in the first chart, euro dollar. So there you can see the trend channel higher, broke out, trend channel lower, broke out. Again, a smaller trend channel higher. You really stayed above this 116.84, and then it cracked above. It's staying above the mid-Bollinger Band at 117.60, 70. It really broke out again. Now, what this tells me is expect another break of this trend channel. Eventually, it will decide what it wants to do, but this 119, not bad, so expect some sellers to turn up there. Above that, obviously 119.46, and then the big one, it's 120. So next chart, Aussie dollar. Now, I'm doing some work around the Aussie crosses. Really has been underperforming relative to the other currencies in G10, but this is despite an absolutely pristine macro picture in China. And to be honest, despite the broad dollar weakness, it has looked very toppy. Now, the key thing to remember is this 70 is now forming quite a nice double bottom base there. It broke above this 71.10, which is a bit of a pivot for Adamus Principle. But the real level is 72. Around this area, you will expect to see some sellers up there. It's quite formidable. But below that, this 71.80, bit of a trend line. If it closes above 72, all bets are off for my bearish Aussie dollar view. All bets are off. So look at the crosses, look at Euro Aussie, look at Aussie CAD for some more guidance. But all to play for, really, apart from if we close, I mean, yours to sell, apart from if we close above 72. Next chart. So here we are, dollar yen. Finally, it's actually moving with a bit of dollar. So here we are. It's this 105.20 to 70, very nice to the top side. But we really broke out of this really subdued trading for quite some time, and we're not really getting much higher. That said, there's a cluster of levels. The real level for me is the fib, which is 104.39. Below that is 104.20, which is a bit of a pivot. Below that is the 104, the figure. And finally, dollar CAD, pointed out here, staying below the mid-Bollinger Band on the daily, very robust support, became resistance on the retest, but still looking quite weak, along with all the other dollars. So that's it from me, and my name's Patrick from the Adamus Principle. So, thank you.